Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress audio blog. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and log into your WordPress account. Right here is the homepage of WordPress. As you can see here on the right hand side, there is a quick links option and below it is the edit site option. Just simply click on the edit site option and it will take you to the editors page of WordPress. After you have reached the editors page of WordPress, as you can see over here, on the left hand side, you can see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon which says block inserter and search for audio. As you can see, here is the audio block over here. Just simply drag it and put anywhere you want to. And you can upload your audio from here. You can upload it by browsing through different files. And after that, just click open and your audio will be inserted. You can also put audio from media library and insert from another URL codes. After that, simply click on save to save all of your actions, and that is how you add audio blog to your WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.